In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unlink your Nintendo account from Epic Games. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is go over to the Nintendo customer support. So go on Google and look for the Nintendo customer support. It will often be the first option available on Google. After you arrive at this page, look for Epic account on the search bar at the middle of your screen. You now have to access the first article, How to Unlink an Epic Account from Your Nintendo Account. As you can see under detailed instructions, all you have to do is visit the first link from epicgames.com. So click this link to be automatically redirected and sign into your Epic Games account at this website. After you are signed in, simply hover over your name at the top right corner of the screen and select Account from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to this page, Your Account Settings, and you simply have to select Apps and Accounts from the left-sided menu. In here, change the tab from Apps to Accounts, and as you can see, your Nintendo account will be listed here. You can simply select Remove to unlink both accounts after arriving at this page. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlink your Nintendo account from Epic Games. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.